Sahara is expanding. What was previously Sahel region, that is the region surrounding Sahara, is now becoming Sahara. The semi-arid regions are becoming more arid. UNCCD, United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification in those countries experiencing serious drought or desertification, particularly in Africa. This is a big thing, but shortly is known as UNCCD. You can say Convention to Combat Desertification. So obviously it is to combat desertification because Sahara is expanding. What was previously Sahel region, that is the region surrounding Sahara, is now becoming Sahara. The semi-arid regions are becoming more arid. So that is leading to more drought, and the water and land resources are getting affected, reduced. So there is a lot of conflict in the Sahel region, whether it is Mali, whether it is Chad, whether it is Central African Republic, whether it is Sudan. So all these countries, or the northern part of Nigeria, so Niger, so all the countries which are in Sahel region are facing lot of clashes, which are essentially ethnic based clashes over land and water resources, the scarce resources. So this is happening because of increasing desertification. So we need to protect this and reduce the desertification, and therefore we can reduce human conflict also, right. So this was recommended in the Rio Earth Conference itself. Unlike the other two, this was this thing in the thing, and it was signed in UNCCD was signed in 1994 and came into force in December 1996. So this also contains, this has now 197 thing. US is also there. There it is 196. UNFCCC also 196. Only CBD has 196 because US is not there. So here US is there, and UNFCCC also US is a member. So there is also COPs. So in the beginning, from 1997 to 2001, they were held annually. After that, they have decided to do it biennial. That means once in 2 years. So right now this is being done from 2002 onwards. It is once in 2 years only. Same way, that is also once in 2 years. Which one? The second one, CBD also. So previously that was once in 3 years. They reduced it to once in 2 years. This was annual initially. Later they changed it to once in 2 years there. So the COP 14 of UNCCD was held in 2019 in New Delhi, India. So that was before somewhere around the early part, so I don't want to talk about it, where a new declaration was enacted, final declaration. The new declaration talked about investing in land and unlocking opportunities. That was the name of the declaration, investing in land and unlocking opportunities. Okay. Now the 15th, COP 15 again was scheduled on 2020, but it has been later postponed due to, sorry, it was 2019 only. So it was 2021 only. So it was in the first quarter of 2021, but it was not held because of Corona, and it has been postponed to second of somewhere in October 2022. Venue not yet announced. Venue and exact date are not, somewhere September, October, second half only. Venue and the exact date are not yet decided. So therefore we cannot say anything, but we should know what are the kind of sister conventions to UNFCCC and all that.